The question can be put in this way: the materialistic way of life that we are leading, is it hurting our spiritual progress? Yes, matter and spirit are diametrically opposed to each other. If we become too engrossed in matter, which means if we try to exploit this world of matter for our own sense enjoyment, yes, that is detrimental to our spiritual progress. So spiritual progress means, spiritual life means that we should withdraw ourselves from this material involvement and become engaged in our spiritual activities. And there is another way, which is even more progressive, that is, use the matter, use these material objects for the sake of glorifying the Supreme Lord and leading others, helping others to reach Him. See, it is ultimately it's a matter of application. When we use things for our enjoyment, that's material. When we use things for the Lord's enjoyment, then it is spiritual. The same object, if we can use it in the service of the Lord, then it becomes spiritual. So that is how we have to look at things. Therefore, in simple words, I'll say that if you want to make spiritual progress, then try to give up the tendency to enjoy by gratifying your senses. Rather, instead of gratifying your senses, rather use your senses in the service of the Lord. That is the real objective of our existence. Thank you.